In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a machete knife saw combo from the company REAT. Maybe is how you would say that. And this is the box that came in right here. And here's the knife itself. Just looking over it here, it has a nylon sheath that came with it. It has a belt loop right there, little Velcro. And then opening it up, you can see this is a 17-inch blade, and this is 420 stainless steel. It has the blade on that side and a saw blade on this side, and the logo right there, ABS handle, and it has this little like piece right here to keep it from sliding out of your hand right there. Let me go ahead and put this thing to the test over here on some trees, maybe even cut a little limb, and let's see how well this thing works. So let's put this thing to the test now. Okay, so let's go ahead. I got a little log here. Let's go ahead and just try to chop this log. Wow, that works really good on this log. It seems to have a lot of weight right there at the end. Let me go ahead and try the saw blade feature. You can see right there, the saw blade does work. It'd probably work better on like a limb or something like that, but this is working great with just hacking up this. Look how much it did in just that little bit of time. It has a nice swing weight because all the weight is at the very tip of it, so you can really like get a nice swing on it. Yeah, I could turn that into a full-on like spear with enough time. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the REAT, saw machete top knife. See y'all in the next video.